Gentlemen, today's my lecture topic is FATF, Financial Action Task Force. Why it is in news? Recently, FATF excluded Pakistan from grey list of global watchdog of money laundering and terrorist funding. Pakistan was included in this list in 2018 for the failure to check on money laundering, terrorist funding, and leading to corruption. Now understand what is FATF, and it is an intergovernmental body that sets internal standard to to prevent the seeking of corruption and money laundering. And FATF is formed in the year July 1989 by the G7 in the Paris. Its main aim was to develop and measure to combat money laundering. Now, what about the FATF plenary? FATF plenary is a decision-making body of the FATF. It meets three times in a year. The secretariat of FATF is located in Paris, and secretary of FATF located in Paris, and India is a member of FATF since 2010. India is also a member of FATF regional partners such as Asia Pacific Group and Eurasian Group. Now understand various lists under FATF. First, grey list. Countries that are considered to the safe haven for money laundering, terrorist funding are come in the grey list. The inclusion in this list made takes as a warning that it may enter into the blacklisted. Countries like Syria, Turkey, Myanmar, Philippines, South Sudan, and Uganda and Yemen are now in grey list. Now understand blacklist. Countries known as non-cooperation countries or territory are known as blacklist countries. And currently, Iran and Democratic People's Republic of Korea are now in blacklist countries. Now consider removal process from the grey list. And the removal process are such that the countries who are in grey list have to perform the task recommended by the FATF. If the FATF satisfied the progress with the countries, then the countries will be removed from the FATF grey list. Now, to avoid the blacklisting, minimum three partner support required to avoid blacklisting, such as in case of Pakistan, and there are three countries like China, Malaysia, and Syria are the three countries who support Pakistan to avoid the blacklisting. Now, the consequences of being in grey list. In grey list, countries may face sanctions from the economic side, such as IMF and World Bank and Asian Development, and problem in getting loans from these banks. Thank you.